So you want to start running TikTok ads, but you don't even have a TikTok ads manager account yet. Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a TikTok ads account step by step as a complete beginner. I have helped a lot of complete beginners do this from scratch. I mean, people who have never touched a TikTok ads manager before. And by the end of this video, you will have your account fully set up and ready to go. We are going to go through every single step together. What to click, where to click, what to fill in, and how to get everything ready before you spend a single dollar or naira on your ads. In case you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Boy. Alright, I share you can run TikTok ads, Facebook, Instagram ads. Alright, so if you want to learn social media ads this year, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for more videos like this. Alright, so let's get into this right now. Now, to create your TikTok ads account, you can go to ads.tiktok.com, or alternatively, you can use this link on the description of this video. Alright, this link here you'll be able to get free ad credits. If you use this link, you'll be able to get free ad credits, alright, by TikTok. So you want to use this link on the comment section or on the description of this video. So once you come to this page, click on unlock offer. Then it's going to show you this. Now enter your email address here to create your TikTok ads manager account. So I'm going to enter my password here. You remember, password must contain numbers, letters, and special characters. So I'm going to click on this. I agree. Then I'm going to click on sign up. So I'm going to click on this similar object here. So the goal is to select an object that is identical, which is same object. So C and C is similar. Yes, I'm going to click on confirm. Now the next thing, TikTok is going to send me an email. So I just put in the code now, which is the OTP sent to my email to verify my email address. So TikTok is going to ask us to enter our business details here. So enter your business name, which is your company name. So let me just say, go with God Bless Limited. Then my website, I decided to put in my website here, although it's optional. If you don't have a website, you can put in your WhatsApp link here. Alright, so let me just leave it. And select the industry that best resemble your own. Right, of course, might not see your own here, but just look for the one that resemble your own a bit, or that is a bit similar to yours. So let me select this. So I'm going to enter my phone number here. Tick on this here. They're asking you for your current monthly ad spend. You can decide to put in any amount here. Right, click on continue again to try again. And congratulations, you just successfully created your TikTok ads account. Alright, so with this account, you can run a proper ads on your TikTok instead of trying to boost it post or promote it post your TikTok app. Right here is your engine room where you can run the proper optimization ads. Alright, step by step. You can do targeting here. You can use pixels to run ads. You can do a lot of features you can't find on your normal TikTok app if you're using your TikTok app. Alright, so this is where setting up your TikTok ads manager account is very, very important. So you're going to see this box. Just click on accept to accept their discrimination policy. Right, then when you want to run ads, always switch to full version. Very, very important. So click on confirm. So with this screen, you can decide to start creating your ads. You can go for sales or leads. Right, but I have a separate tutorial that shows you how you can create your ad step by step. Alright, but let me show you something really quick here. Now here is where you fund your ad account. You see this place that says billing. Again, bring your mouse to tools. You click on billing. This is where you can actually fund your ad account. Right, so here is where you can set up your payment details. Right, so enter your billing information here, enter your tax ID, your phone number, and all that. I put in my street address here, then click on submit. You can decide to skip this or don't need it for now. Now you can see enter billing method. Our billing information is completed. Now the next thing for us is to add our payment method. So click on add payment method. Right. So immediately you add your payment method, you can actually start running ads with your ads manager. So click on add payment method. Of course, as of the time recording this video, you can only use a credit or debit card to pay. You can't use pay by bank transfer the way method does those, right? So you have to enter your card here, but I use Gray. Right, I use Gray card. I'm going to drop a link under the description of this video where you can actually create your Gray account, alright, and get a dollar visual card. Your Naira card don't work here, so you want to get a Gray account. So put in the card details here, the expiring date, the security code, the card name, and click on this submit. Alright, and you're able to add your payment details. And TikTok will be able to bill your ad account. Alright, so this is how you can actually add a payment method to your ad account and start running ads with it. And the next one to do is to come to business center here. All you have to do is to bring your mouse to the left side of your screen, over your mouse to the left side of your screen. Then click on this menu icon here, right? Then click on business centers. It's going to show you this. You need to also create a business center account, all right? Similar to what we call business portfolio on Meta, right? So once you come to this screen, again, click on the menu icon here. You click on business center. It's going to take you here. So you're going to see all of this. Click on advertiser, scroll down. You're going to see all of your details here. So just leave it the same thing like this, right? Leave everything like this. Currency engine, add account name. Just leave everything like this. All you have to do is click on this, then click on confirm. Then click on this confirm here, and you're good to go. So we have successfully created our ad manager account and our business center account. So it's going to show this link business center to the ad account we created earlier. Now we have successfully created our business center and it's linked to our ad account. Now the next thing they're going to ask you to do is to link your normal TikTok account. So if you don't have a TikTok account, that is when you can click on create new TikTok account. I mean your normal TikTok account, you want used to watch reels, you used to watch reels, scroll on your app. So if you don't have anyone, this way you have to click on create. But if you already have an account, click on link an existing TikTok account. You can now select which option you want to use to log in. You can decide to log in with the QR code, or you can decide to log in into an existing TikTok account. So just click on this. Click on confirm, and then we ask you to log in your TikTok account. So just log in with your password and your username. You can decide to use your email, all right? And once you log in, it's going to reflect on your ads manager and you can start using it to run ads. But for now, I don't want to link my TikTok account. I can do that later. So I can decide to click on skip for now, right? Then our payment method, you can decide to click on skip for now too, although you can come back and have payment later. You can click on skip for now. And you're going to tell us to add some assets, add pixels. If you want to create your pixels, you can click on get started to create your pixels, right? But I already created a separate video where I show you how to create your pixels step by step, right? So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to click on skip for now too. You don't need that, you can do that later. Click on confirm, skip for now. Click on close. But let me show you what we created now. Click on this. Click on business center again. Now this is our business account and this is our ad account. Now if you decide to fund your business account, every money here you put on your business account, you can use it to run ads on your ad account, right? So if you have another business account here, if you fund it, you can't use it to run this ad account. So you want to be very, very careful, right? So you can see how we actually create a business account and link and it automatically link to our ad account. Just now to fund your business portfolio, come here, click on the business center. It will take you here, then scroll down. You're going to see finance. Click on finance. Right, click on payment management. You can see that we've already completed our billing information. So add your payment method here. And like I told you guys earlier, you can use your gray dollars visual card, right, to pay. I'm also going to link a separate tutorial where I show you the different card that is currently working on TikTok, right? So that you can have other alternative choices. So once you have done this, you have added your payment method, you can come to your ads manager by clicking on ads manager and you can now start creating your ads, right? Now if you have learned something from this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, right? Because every week I drop updates like this that's going to help you run profitable TikTok and Facebook ads in 2026 and beyond, right? So make sure you like this video now, right? Have you done that? Right, now let's proceed. Now one more last thing before we proceed. Click if in case you forgot to link your TikTok account, you can click on this EU here, which is your profile icon here, right? So this UI profile, depending on what starts your name, click on it. You're going to see your user. You're going to see your user name, which with the user with plenty number at the front of this place. Click on the three dots here. Click on user settings, right? From this place, you can add your TikTok profile account so that you can use your normal TikTok as an identity when running the ad. So that as you're even running the ad, people can get to check your page, like your TikTok account, follow your normal TikTok profile, like some of your posts, engage with your posts, and even get more followers when running ads. It's just more of like you're using one stone to hit two birds. And if you have few posts out there, it's even going to build trust for your target audience when they see that you are actually active on TikTok. It is very, very important you link your active TikTok account. I mean your normal TikTok profile here right? So this is another place you can link it. So click on this link TikTok account, and they're going to ask you for a verification code. Click on this send code. Once you enter the code here, click on confirm. They're going to show you, they're going to prompt you to log in your TikTok profile, which I've already showed you earlier. Just log in your normal TikTok account with your username and password, or email and password, whatever you want to use to log in. And boom, you are good to go. You're going to see your TikTok profile showing here. So I'm just going to do that now shortly. All right, so I'm going to pause this video. Right, so let me send code and log in. And boom, so now you can now see my TikTok account here. God bless you, boy. Right, so this is how you can do it. You can decide to add your number here and you are good. Now the next thing you have to do is to start creating your ads, and I've already done a step-by-step video that shows you how to create a high converting TikTok ads this year, right? That's going to give you a lot of sales. So if you really want to learn how to run profitable TikTok ads, click on this video showing at the top of your screen.